Okay, guys, let's go get breakfast. Come on, guys. Come on, come on, come on. What about the girls now? Okay, Prissy's under the bed, and Kiara's here. Come on, Prissy, let's have breakfast. And look at this, waiting patiently for breakfast. There's Prissy girl. Hey, baby girl. Hey, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Okay, they're waiting patiently for breakfast. And the Shanti girl. Hey, baby, you ready for breakfast? You ready for breakfast? All right, so breakfast time. Okay, here we go. The hungry hordes, the pleading eyes. Hey, guys. Okay. Shanti, you hungry? You hungry, baby? All right, here we go. A little different arrangement again this morning. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, what do you think? What do you think? Normally, Prissy is on the left because she's usually the first one that I feed, starting from the left to the right. Okay, and of course, now let's go check the neighborhood as soon as they're done eating. Okay, let's go check the neighborhood. Okay, guys, go on. Go on, Prissy, go on. Shanti doesn't want to go outside. Hey, you don't have to go outside if you don't want to. You want to stay up here? It's okay, baby, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Now you can go in here, or you can go in there, okay? Come on, baby. Come on. You want to stay inside today? You want to stay inside today, baby? Huh? She's going inside. Okay, good. It's okay, baby. You can come in or out. Whatever you want. All right. Everybody else is off to check the neighborhood. Okay. Checking the neighborhood. And check this out, by the way. If you haven't seen, look at the harvest. Okay. Yesterday and this morning's harvest. Yay. Oh, I can't forget this. Another beautiful day in the neighborhood.